Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop. This is an HP 15-BS011. And in this video I'm going to go over how you can open it up and how you can replace or upgrade the RAM for your laptop and what are the combinations that you can have in here. And just remember, by replacing the RAM, upgrading them, you're not going to change anything in the system. The RAM speed, everything will be set automatically with the because of the BIOS and the motherboard. So it's pretty much plug and play. All right, so first thing first, you want to power it off and you want to flip it upside down. All right, down here first, we're going to remove the battery by pulling this trigger to the right and this one back and slide the battery backward. Now there's a hidden screws in here. We're going to expose them. I'll grab myself the iFixit screwdriver set as they have all the bits that you need. We're going to be using a Phillips #1. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tool and some tweezers. If not, grab yourself a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are suitable to opening cases and covers. To expose the hidden screws under the battery, once you remove it, you can see it. One in the middle, camouflaged right in here. One on each side and one in the mid front. And there is screws under the rubber feet. So to remove it, put the opening tool guitar pick on the bottom of the rubber feet and lift it up. And you're going to expose that screw right there. Same thing on this side. And there's a screw right in the front and a screw on this side. Now we're going to start from one corner and we're going to remove all the screws. Don't forget the one in the middle. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mix matching them. They're all the same size. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I was trying to fill up my ink cartridges and I just painted my whole fingers and it's not going away. So yeah. Anyway, once you remove all the screws, what you want to do, you want to open up the laptop in 45-degree angle and you want to stick the guitar pick between the palm rest and the bottom cover. And you want to twist it and you want to hear a big click sound. That's what you want to hear. You want to work yourself all around in the front. I'm sticking about 1 or 2 millimeters. I'm not sticking the whole guitar pick in there. Do the same thing on the left and right. Go to the back corner. By the HDMI port. Once it's in there, you want to lift up the power and separate it with your hand a little bit. And put your finger there so it doesn't go back down. Now what you want to do, simply you want to grab it. You want to bring it up. There's a hook in the middle. You want to yank it up a little bit and it will release that hook, which is right in here that grabs it from here. So that's why you got to yank it up a little bit. All right, there's the bottom cover. And the RAM, it's right over here. And there's a CMOS battery right over here. To remove the RAM is really simple. All you need to do is to put your fingers on the side of this trigger and pull them away. And the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. All you need to do is to grab it in a 45-degree angle and slide it backward on the same directions. These are a DDR3, DDR4, 8 gig. So you can put another 8 gig in here. Just make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch on the DIMM. So if I try to put it the other way around, it is not going because the notches, the cut do not match. So you want to flip it, rotate, and then in 45-degree angle, you want to bring it inside the connector. And then once inside the connector, you want to push it towards the motherboard, and you want to hear these triggers open and close softly. To remove, same thing, put it up. To put it in here, again, make sure the 45-degree angle, push it inside the jack in 45-degree angle, and then push it towards the motherboard. And you're going to see these triggers stay straight, right? Doesn't matter the orientation of the RAM chips, stuff like that. As long as the notch matches, you're fine. So you can put one RAM in here and another 8 gig, so you can have a 16 gig in total, which is really suitable for these processors. You don't need to go anything higher than that. All right, let's say that you got the RAM inside. You don't have to put the bottom cover on to power to check it. You can simply power on the laptop in a 45-degree angle like this and power it on and see if you get this display, and then shut it down and then put that power on. So that's not unnecessary to put the column on. Now, if you power on after 5 to 10 seconds or 15 seconds, you still don't get anything on the screen, shut it down and switch the RAM places. Put the old one in here and the new one on the top and power it on again, and it should work. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is to grab the bottom cover, bring it over, put down on the corner where the HDMI port, everything is, and push it down on a flat surface. Make sure you hit those click sounds in the front end with your thumb. Push it down. You're going to hear those big click sounds on the back corner, in the middle right here. So you can hear that click on the middle. And to finish it off is to put the bottom screws, and that's it. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out to do your own upgrade for UHB Notebook 15-BS series. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.